since people had issues with the video in the past that we didn't actually click the switch going on and off. This is the new Inovelli blue 2-in-1 dimmer, or whatever they're calling it this week, with millimeter wave as well as a lux sensor there. So right now it's triggered occupancy in this room. I'm going to step out of the room, and after about 30 seconds this will trigger off. There we go, we've triggered off. And the range here to the side seems pretty good. As I creep into the room here, it picked me up right there. So as advertised, the nice wide pickup on that millimeter wave sensor. We'll keep playing around with this.